Hi, I'm Louise and welcome to Tea Break Tips. If you need your Lav Concealer to be a slightly darker colour than white, then we have a really simple tip for you. So we take our white Lav Concealer and we simply drop it in a cup of black coffee. And we will leave that overnight. Good night. Morning guys! So the Lav Concealer has been in the coffee overnight and we're going to see what's happened. I'm just going to take it out of the coffee. Got some water here to just give it a quick clean off. There we go. Okay, just dry that one off. So we now have our beige Lav Concealer, and just for comparison, I'll show you what the white one looks like. There we go. Thanks for taking a break with us. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe. And if you need more information about our products, please visit bubblebeeindustries.com. Thank you. Have a windy day.